I just started running about 6 months ago because I used to do aerobics classes a couple of times a week, and my husband recently got into the fire service, so he was away training for that, so I found it hard to get to the classes because I needed to rely on babysitters, so I started going out doing walking initially and then started jogging.
Great. Yep. And how are you finding it?
Fine, yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I'm going out maybe 3-4 times a week now, doing between 4-6 miles each time, and the longest I've done is 8 miles, so I was really chuffed when I did that. I do a bit of both. I go out myself and I also go out with my sister. And in the last month we started going out in the morning before we go to work, which is quite an achievement. So yeah, but it's a lot better getting out the way first thing in the morning and then you're set up for the day. Don't need to think about it later on. It's just time to yourself and you feel a lot healthier and fitter when you go out to do it and a lot better about yourself.
And is life busy at home?
Yes, it is. With 2 young children it is. So if you can get out in the morning and get it done, then when you come in after work, then you can just get on with making the dinner and household things you need to do. Like the hoovering that some people don't do.
Are you a domestic goddess?
No, not at all. No, not at all. Not at all.
And have you got any tips that you could give us? What's your best running tip?
I don't know, just take each bit at a time, don't think about it too much, just break it down, that's the best way.